come all. I invite you today to just listen with me. Listen with your heart. Open the ears for listening. Listen. Listen. Placing your hands on your heart. Breathe and feel the connection with one, with all. Allowing yourself to be in this place, no matter the outside conflicts and disturbances, the entanglements of the world. Come one, come all. Be here now with me in this place of gratitude, in this place of connection. 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 Are you here to listen? Are you here to connect? Do you want to? Come one, come all. I ask you to join me in this heart connection. Breathing in and through your heart. Feeling that deep reverence. Going into a place of gratitude as you do so. Be here. Be now. Quiet the mind and connect to the heart. Again, breathe. Come one, come all. For I am you and you are me. You are me and I am you. Feeling that gratitude for all, the one and the many, for everything and everyone. Come one, come all. As you feel, sense, and know the deep connection of your heart, of the deep connection with your heart. The heart is the center of emotion. The heart is the center of emotion. And today, I ask you to join me in this heart-center connection with one and all. And breathe into your heart. Feel the vibration of the sound and your breath. Feel the vibration of your heartbeat. Feeling that deep gratitude now. I ask you now to use the Hridaya Mudra. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct. But thank you for those who are joining me. I appreciate it. This is the proper spelling because I know my pronunciation is not correct. And in this mudra, we're using our hands. You're going to curl the index finger and then place the middle and the ring finger on the thumb and keep the pinky finger straight. And as you feel, allowing the senses from the fingers go to your heart, breathe into it, and know that in this mudra, it helps release pent-up and to unburden the heart. It helps to release pent-up energies and to unburden the heart. It improves the vitality of the heart and is great to practice during emotional conflict and crisis. So you can now use this mudra and just for maybe another minute or two, hold that mudra. Feel that deep gratitude with your heart connection. And find that center, that alignment in your breath. Find that center and alignment with your heart. So I'm going to go maybe just another minute or so and allow yourself to hold that mudra and breathe and focus on your heart center now. Just bring your awareness to your heart. Thank you. Thank you for being in a space with me. Thank you for being in a heart center space with me. Thank you. Thank you. Have a grateful day.